my listeners, to my subscribers, welcome to my tutorial. And for today's video, I want to show you how you can see who is using your Facebook account. You have ever opened your Facebook and found that there are some messages, some notifications, or some photos which you see they are suspicious. They are not done by you. Those are the things when you meet on your Facebook account, you know that someone else is using your account. Now, on this video, I want to show you how to identify where your Facebook is being logged in, and how you can log out from the devices being used to log in your Facebook account. Now, first you open your Facebook account, tap your Facebook to open, like that. Then, on 3 dots, Facebook menu, you tap to open. Then scroll down to settings. Then you tap on settings, and here now again you tap on password and security. You tap on password and security. When you look at password and security page, it is here now you get where you are logged in. You can tap on where you are logged in to see all the devices that have been used, or those have been used to log into your Facebook account. These are all the devices which have been used to log into my Facebook account. On this part, you can log out all on this category. When you click on any suspicious login, for example, if you see amongst the listed login, you note that there is a suspicious login, you just click on the 3 dots, then you log out. You log out that session. When you find another one, you click on the 3 dot line, then you log out. You log out to all suspicious logins, suspicious devices that are being used to log in to your Facebook account. For example, this one, you log out. You choose all and log out all. Finally, on this tutorial, for your Facebook account to be safe, I would request you to protect your Facebook account by activating a 2-factor authentication. This is here. When you click on 2-factor authentication, when you click on it, on 2-factor, it is here. When you choose SMS, you tap on SMS. Anytime you log into your Facebook, you'll be sent an SMS code for you to give Facebook a hint that you are the one whom you are using that device to log into your account. That is all about how to see if someone, or how to see someone who is using your Facebook account, how to log out the session, and how to make your Facebook account secure. That is all for today. Hope you have enjoyed. Let's meet again with another tutorial. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go subscribe. Thank you for listening. Bye.